kainde MC katambe jali kainde yetu kunondo tukuna tulikaziendo tulichaziendo ndo likazia. Asante. Asanta. Dile na background music ni Mondo Kalungu Express band ya Weta Bwene Striker namba kenda. Na mmoja anaenda kutangaza ndio tabia na ndio somele zindu sie maana. Ezo no nyusa. Ni asio so. Ezo no nyusa oso. No mino nyosu uke wosusu enda kubulangalira siendo maundo nayo kesete ape ndo enda ikala. Oze bukwa kala mu technotes ezo osusu akwi kunenga isindu ingwenda kutabya pama no osusu akuyo kutebya. I short nendo kuya oso useless. Kendo chambe ususu nyuza evo oyunenga ikisungo. Evo usulo nyuza oyunenga English ukesediani. Thank you very much. You are very good. Your intellect is very fine. I'm taking you far. You see? Evo usuwa kuyunenga isinisa mudembo. So that is why useless. Lady da kwande kamato. Oka. Kwande kamato. Nena yondie tegela kwande kamato. Yeah. Mama. Yeah. Yebe zindu wajione ngao gezete ero nungwe wagendo mudambo wakenge. Niwa kwegeze mundu gendo wana. Nijingeze mundu gendo yija na ambadende. Ndisa kodingezi obo wangai. Weshiwa? Diego bila neva ni mutangi yenye. Onekanisa ni aziaga wocha wochi piu ni maisye. Lakini mwekamere kai kana kai yoba. Kila pachana amoke ni boya. Ngatungia ngai mubia nondo amosio make na chembita ke nondo nengi nongazi mete. Kila kiundele nyono mobala me otofikio yiba ilobi. Pema abo me otofikio yiba ilobi me kwasia kanai. Katika kila au me komi ba ilobi. Motiso ngamana tena. Katika kila ume kumi ba ilobi omwe. Motiso with my issues. Motiso you and I misbehave. Nyindi sike uke so motito nikiba. Na ito mwi wate asia mweke uchiti nondo yinumo kwa na issues ila kama tuwete iye. Mande yakula hiyo wadi kwanganye na kwanganye kwa mome ondo na komanyana na tamitise asiro kwa eti kula ngoya motisa wa mukunange mwa motisa nuna wingo kanesa makasha aya motisa wande wagele nyana mubingo sha Helas nawe sede na kulanga momo muno. Nyasio muno. Okay. Na kesede mutisa sino kwete maproblem kwanza. Aki for sure akanye tafadhali akayo chiki. Ai makosa gani mmetuletea bana? Anyway. Izuni issue say lobi ala me musi ni isi yo musu. Ala me muzini isi umusu. Toga number 2. everyone so lo news awo yo nenga isinto sita wa testimonies okay kaluka asya nye na ipando nye kwanza be pando twa nke website ya ninyi ni makwati ya everything website that actually can I was not there, they could not be surviving. It's only me who made them to be surviving the way they were. We were almost dying. There's nothing that he knows. I'm the only one who did that. How are you together? How are you getting what I'm talking about? And also something like testimonies, now wise words, now advices. Tafadhali, I want to tell you a kind of so you could tell you useless. Number 3, and also what? And also what we want to say to when you mal best a kindu kilovia kindu kima. My friend, you need to style up. Well, look, I have some gigs somewhere that needs some seriousness, and I will work on them. That is around 3 million that is on the way. Are we together? And those who are doing such things, nonsense, useless. Number 4. This one, take it seriously. Evo suwa kuiona mevo ma umbe kindo kasisuka shakanda gande okengwe koka. This is a wife material that is misplaced, and maybe if we talk together and do some great agreements with her, we can do something that can make some life out of it. So this is beautiful, and those who are going and asking some of them are useless. Number 5. Number 5, kuhusu uso wako. If uso wako uyaattractia siana nini, evo uso wako uyaattractia siana nini, that is useless. Uso wako welebo yasia hata watoto wadogo waje kwangu, because the kingdom of heaven is theirs and I own it. Like even do you also uka attract siana ukasema siana sienda kwikala around you, ukasema siana siba kubena kunisiku wena vibes zio. Evo suwa kukita kucheza we children. Useless. The last one, can you kongela kenge? Evo with them no so waku oye kumbukasha your ex. Actually, not even your ex. Actually, TX necessarily. Evo so waku oye kumbukasha ola mutiso wasemba nesa. Ola netrana moseo with them. Ever so you kumbuka said the best night runner. You have a problem that is useless. That is a serious discussion and a serious research that I've done by myself. All those things. then you need to style up and do other things that make sense in your life. Actually, you need to kuambia juu tosesiuki lakini uyekana nosu nonosusu wakuyo kutech exactly kwanza muno usu uilute tsa ukunenga the future like usu ukuya I have some things and I am planning on this. I need to do this, and in the next 3 years I'll have done I'll have purchased that Demio. No, I'm not of that standard. I love that TX with me in the next around 3 years. It is in plan, and very soon I'll be putting it in place, and our life with my family will be very very perfect. So don't have any worry, my wife and my children. I'm taking you there. How are we together? Lilika na background music ni amundo ikilungu express band ya Wete Mwene striker namba kenda.